Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to take the best study notes, step by step. First, gather all your necessary materials, whether that's a notebook and pens, or your laptop and a digital note-taking app. Next, select a note-taking method that aligns with your personal learning style and the specific subject you are studying. Finally, take a few moments to review any prior notes or readings. This helps activate your existing knowledge before you begin. While listening or reading, concentrate on capturing the main ideas and key concepts, not every single word. Employ abbreviations, symbols, and your own shorthand to record information quickly and efficiently. For example, use an ampersand for and or a plus sign for plus. Remember to leave plenty of white space on your page. This provides room for adding details, questions, or personal insights later on. To make your notes easy to understand, structure them clearly. Use headings and subheadings to categorize information and bullet points for lists or key facts. Consider using different colored pens or highlighters to emphasize important terms, definitions, or concepts, making them stand out. Also, dedicate a small section at the bottom or end of your notes for a brief summary, which will be incredibly useful for quick reviews. The final, crucial step is to review and refine your notes. Aim to review them within 24 hours of taking them. This significantly boosts memory retention. Expand on any brief points, adding more detail or personal insights that come to mind. Finally, test your comprehension by trying to summarize the key information aloud or in writing without looking at your notes. This active recall is a powerful learning technique.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.